Well, well, message panel basically it's a message system into ARIA to enable users to get contact with ARIA services. Sorry. Oh, yeah, it's working. Yeah. Sorry. So basically, it's internal system into the ARIA system. It's make it easy to users to contact with ARIA service staff easily and more effectively. So, for example, for your assigned proposal, you could contact the proposal team members, moderators, and reviewers by clicking on these buttons. How you can go to your message panel? It's like one way, like it's on a click or on these buttons after you log into your ARIA account. So once a click on this button will show you the general interface of the message panel. So let me start with the left-hand side. So this side, basically. So you might see like some number next to inbox tab. So basically this one, it's show you like there is some unread messages. Also like will show like next to the messages thread, like a little blue icon next to it. Also like if you have a bunch of unread messages and you want to like rid of it, you can click on this button. It's make all messages to you as read. Sorry. Yeah. And yeah, you can also flag a message by clicking on like by showing like this size just like indicate that this thread message it's flagged. Yeah, of course you can flag and unflag messages. At the top, it's here, it's the search filter. It's basically, yeah, we like on a click on it, like it will be expanded. So far, we have two filters. You can filter message by flagged messages or by dates. Well, also like you can type a keyword on the input text field at the top. Like, for example, you can search messages by writing like a keyword of a subject or the title of the message, or by body of the message, or by using like maybe message participants. And yeah, we'll mark it for you. Let's back to the message interface again. At the bottom right here on the corner, this icon is basically to create a new message. And here at the top, there's four icons. So let me start with the first one. It's star. So for this type of message, you can flag or unflag message. And yeah, as I showed you, like we'll show a little star next to the messages thread. Next one, it's basically this message participants. So yeah, I will show you this later. So basically here, if you are admin of a message, so you can make a control for message participants. I will show you later for this one. Next one, it's if you would like to reply for a message. Last one, this keyboard icon is like we've added some keyboard shortcuts to make it fast and easy to users while they are using the message panel. So on a click on this button, like will show you all possible keyboard shortcuts. If you see like this icon next to the message or thread or message, this means like this message is containing like some attachments. Yeah, just to make it like easy, like for your search or yeah, something like that. Of course, like you can expand or collapse messages by clicking on here on the plus and minus icons. Yeah, so also like some messages are linked to a specific proposal or proposal and visits. So like like for example, for a specific visit, like, like for a visit, each visit is linked to a proposal, and visit and proposal, both of them are linked to access route. So we need to show it clear for users. So for example, for this one, like on a click on, sorry, let me move this one down. So like on a click here on the drop down button on the contacting service administrator, write a message and send it. So this message will show also on your message panel. So we'll show you the access route name, and also will show you two links, two buttons, actually. You can click on them. So first one is link you to related proposals. The second one is related is linked to related visits. Yeah. Well, some users would like also like to unsubscribe or disable messages notification from their main mail, which means they will no longer have messages and notification emailed to them. However, those messages will only be visible within ARIA message panel. So if user like decided to disable message notification for them, so we'll show this little icon next to their name, just to indicate to other users, like this user is like disable his email notification. Well, the last things, not like before, this basically is like when a sender sent a message, we needed to make it clear for users, like if like for the senders, basically, like if this message, if it's being sent or if it's being filled, or like yeah, so basically, like we did like for status, message sent status, like for example, I sent a message and I see this is dots, like this message, it's still in progress. I didn't filled yet to send, and they didn't like receive, like it's still in progress. So yeah, just in case if you see like this three dots. The second one is like basically filled to send to one or more message participants. This one, like blue tick, it's basically like this message is sent to all message participants successfully. And the last one, it's gray tick. It's basically this one. It's this message is sent to all message participants, but some of them have their email notification disabled. So yeah, just like to like sender, like not all message participants, by the way, like maybe one of the message participant has disabled their email notification, but this will make a clue for the sender. Well, this last things I would like to show you. It's message participant notification. So basically, like it's same like any message system. Like show you who's joined the message threads. Like at beginning, like show you like the conversation started between the users, and also like if you are admin of that thread, you can of course add a new user to this message thread. So if so, like if you added a message, if you added a user to this message thread, so will be shown here like to all other users, like this guy like has been joined to this conversation. The same thing, like if you remove someone, like would show like you remove someone, or like if any like guy like left the conversation, will show to all other users. I guess yeah, that's all.